Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn mathematics lesson 3 fractional numbers. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. Here you can see a rectangle divided into 3 equal parts. Each part is called a fraction. Here the shaded part, you can see one part is shaded. The fraction you will write as 1 by 3, 1 divided by 3, which will be read as 1/3. Another figure, you can see a circle divided into 4 equal parts. Here one part is shaded, so the fraction you will write as 1 by 4, which will be read as a quarter or 1/4. Then 1/4 is called a fraction. Here this figure you can see 12 equal parts. 4 parts out of 12 equal parts are shaded. So the fraction you write as 4 by 12. 1/2. When we divide one whole into 2 equal parts, each part is called 1/2 of the whole. Here you can see an apple. This apple is divided into 2 equal parts. One part is shaded. We write this shaded part as 1 by 2. The fraction look like this way only. Then another example, this is a rectangle divided into two equal parts. Each part is called a fraction. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We write this 1/2 as 1 by 2. 2 halves make a whole. Now you understood what is a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. Another way we can say one or more parts out of many equal parts is called a fraction. Color 1/2 of each figure. Here you can see the figure. This figure is divided into 2 equal parts. One part is colored. Another figure is a triangle divided into 2 equal parts. Half of the figure is colored. Now 1/4 or a quarter. When we divide one whole into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4 or a quarter. Here you can see a chocolate. This 4 equal pieces you can see. Each part is called 1/4 or a quarter. One part I am showing here. Each part is called 1/4 or a quarter. How many total pieces are there? 4 pieces. So this is called 1/4 or a quarter. Here another example, you can see a collection of 8 sketch pens. I want to distribute these sketch pens in 4 children. Let us see. Here each will get 2. 1/4 of the collection. That is 2 here. Here also 1/4 of the collection. This is also 1/4 of the collection. This is also 1/4. So we can say 4/4 make a whole. 4/4 make a whole. 1/3. When a whole is divided into 3 equal parts, each part is called 1/3 of the whole. Here you can see a circle divided into 3 equal parts. Each part is 1/3. So shaded portion you can write 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 whole. 3/3 make a whole. Another figure you can see is a rectangle divided it into 3 equal parts. One part is shaded. That is 1 by 3 part is shaded. Now we will start exercise 3A. Color 1/2 of each figure. You use pencil to color it. Instead of coloring, you just shade it with the pencil. 1/2 of each figure. Here one figure divided it into 2 equal parts. One part you have to shade 1/2. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Only half of the portion you have to color it. So 1, 2. 2 part you have to color. Next is here also 4 equal parts. Half of the figure you have to color it. Now divide each collection into 2 equal parts by dotted lines. Here first one, 4 balls you can see. 2 in each part. Here you can see how many 8 are there. So you have to divide this figure into 2 equal parts. You can divide this way horizontally, or you can divide this vertically also with the dotted lines. Here how many are there? 10. So 2 equal parts. You can divide this way only. You draw the dotted lines horizontally only. Okay. Now the next it is C. Color 1/4 or a quarter of each figure. Here the figure is divided into 4 equal parts. 1/4 means only one part you have to shade it. Now another second one. How many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 you have to darken 2 parts. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only one you have to darken it or shade it. Next, this figure you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8 you have to darken only 2 boxes. Okay. Next, D. Divide each collection into 4 equal parts by dotted line. Okay, here you can see first one, 8 pencil divided into 4 equal parts, 2 in each part. The same way this flower you see, how many are there? 12 are there. You have to divide it into 4 equal parts. So horizontally you draw the dotted lines, you draw like this, and vertically also you draw the line like this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts you can see. Here you can see 16 dolls are there. You have to divide it into 4 equal parts. Here you, with dotted lines, you draw one line, then after 1, 2, 3, 4, after 4 again you draw vertically also one dotted line. So in each 4 dolls you can see. Okay. Next, here you can see the marbles. 20 marbles are there. You have to divide this into 4 equal parts. So first 5, afterwards you draw the dotted lines like this, then second after second also, then third also. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts.